Hey YouTube. So I know I've been a little MIA lately, but I'm telling you guys I miss you guys a lot. Like for real, haven't made a video in like so long. Haven't talked to y'all in a long time. I know I'm trying. I've just been so busy with school and placement and midterms and all that. Cause you guys know I'm in my second year of college, so things are a little hectic for me. But I'm not trying to make excuses. But yeah, I really wanted to come and make this video. This video is definitely a big deal for me. As you guys can tell from the title, I do have 50 plus subscribers. And yes, I am super excited about that. I just want to say a quick thank you to the people who watch my videos and support me. Thank you guys so much. It's very motivational. Like, trust me, like I said in my other video, very motivational. It just makes me feel so good to know someone watching my videos, someone feels inspired. Thank you guys for the nice things you guys say in my inbox and the comments and all that stuff. So thank you guys so much. Like, it feels amazing. I know it ain't 100,000 subscribers, but 50 is a pretty big deal for me because I just started out. So just thank you guys for that a lot. That really means a lot to me. I'm really excited. I really want to make some more videos and all that good stuff. So yes, thank you guys for continuing to watch and support me and my channel. Please continue to like and subscribe. You guys tell me what you want to see too. Tell me how I can be better at being a person who makes videos on YouTube. Give me advice. I want to do what you guys like, right? So just tell me what y'all want to see so I can do it for you guys, okay? So yeah, I might just do a little check-in while I'm here, right? The weather's starting to get pretty cold where I am. Thus, I'm in a hooded sweater. Which kind of sucks. I hate the winter. Like, I really do. What else? School's really hectic for me now. Like I said before, I got midterms and stuff, and placement and all of that. So I'm pretty busy with that. I feel like I get no sleep at night. Y'all know how it is to get no sleep at night. Some of you guys are in college. I know it's hard, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right? It's almost finished. This is my last year, so hopefully I can get a job and work after this. What else is going on with me? Nothing else is really going on with me other than that. Just school. I'm busy with school and sleep. That's pretty much it. So, yeah, that's a little spiel about me right now. But yes, like I said before, thank you guys for supporting me, watching my videos. I know I'm annoying and I blah about foolishness, but whatever. Alright guys, this is the end of my video. Do you want to talk to me more? I got another video coming up for you guys, so stay tuned. So yeah, bye.